So let's try out a simple strumming exercise. You can normally do this with a metronome, but for now, let's just do it with me counting time. We're just going to do down strums first, and I'm going to play an E major chord, the same E major chord from one of the earlier lessons. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to flick the wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flick the wrist. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to go a bit faster. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how there are no big movements in my forearm. It's mostly my wrist and a rotation of the forearm. Now let's try out some up strums as well. So we're just gonna do a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yeah. So let's try this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2.